Good morning, guys. Man, last night stunk for Mike. Car pulled right in front of him, and while going downhill on Oldsmobile, I know the sand is a kind of any direction for the most part out here in Glamis. There isn't really a necessarily a direction, but going up Oldsmobile Hill, somebody caught it on film. I may or may not put it in here depending on if Mike lets us. Show must go on, guys. That's what I tell everybody. Things happen. You can't control the fact that they did happen, or even sometimes you can. You just got to keep going. And that's what we're doing today. We're going to keep going. So, going to clean out P Mayo real quick, get her gassed up. Krista's car is dead. So it still runs, it still drives. It may be savable. I just don't know how much of the core support and everything's been on it. It's pretty jacked. It's broke a lot of the plastic pieces on it. And the good thing is she's okay. We actually watched the footage last night and I did catch it on camera, which I didn't know that I caught it on camera. And it looked pretty bad. I'm glad I actually didn't see it because it probably would have freaked me out worse. She's okay, she's bruised up, but she's gonna keep pushing through. And the car just lost freaking power, guys. It just lost power. It's been having this random limp mode thing, and in my heart I knew I shouldn't have let her drive it, but it's not up to me. I'm not her boss. I can't tell her what to do, and she wanted to drive it, and it just it let off power in the scariest way, and that's going over a transition. So then there's no more power to correct any movement at all, and it just over. But she's gonna be okay. So that's 2 accidents, both still run and drive. That's a good thing. Nothing's been on the suspension on hers. That's a good thing. But we're gonna go for a ride. We're gonna go back and meet up with Justin. We had so much fun with him yesterday, and those guys are such solid guys. Like, their whole crew made sure that we would get Krista back safe. And that's the kind of people I like to hang out with, are people that don't leave you behind in the middle of a struggle. Because there's some people out there, they'll leave you behind in the middle of a struggle and they don't even care at all. Don't be like that. You suck if you're like that.
It's a beautiful day in Glamis. The sun is shining and it's time for a ride. 1, 2, 3, I don't know who else to be. 4, 5, 6, like they say I can't be fixed. 1, 2, 3, your attention's all I need. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip.
windshield. I've known him for a long ass time. I think he really enjoys
getting sandblasted.
Yeah.
Greg likes getting blasted in the face. So, you know.
Take that from somebody who's known him for 20 years.
Let's go talk to Jared really fast.
Hat you got there.
Okay, this is Jared right here, and you're 13 years old, right?
Yeah.
And you're ripping in the RS1.
Yep.
How does your new suspension feel?
It feels really good. I think it just needs to be a little bit harder, and it'll be great.
Yeah, but you were keeping, dude, I'm impressed. Good freaking job, dude. Were you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. We need to get you out to Utah because we do the Whiskey Throttle race nights, and we've got Keaton Hale who races an RS1, and then Olivia has a Turbo S, and we got a couple other kids that are right around 13. You would have so much fun, dude. It's on a dirt track too because you do micro racing.
Yeah, micro sprints.
Yeah, nice. So you're ready. You're ready. Good job, dude.
I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I'm gonna party until I drop. When I begin, I don't know how to stop. I can party on till the morning comes, till the sun goes up. We don't stop, no. I see you looking at me, but you don't stand a chance. You see, you don't know how to act. I'm looking for class. Can you please take a step back? I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I'm gonna party until I drop. I'm not looking for love, I'm looking for fun. Just because I have my skin tight jeans doesn't mean I need a man to save me. I do it all for fun, looking hot in my 501s. Don't you know I tease? I'm not here to please, but you're way too dumb to see. Hey stupid, you think I want you just because I am a woman? Hey stupid, I don't want you, I don't want you. Hey stupid, I do it all for fun, looking hot in my 501s. Don't you know I tease? I'm not here to please, but you're way too dumb to see. I will get my I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. My vibe. Hey stupid, you think I want you just because I am a woman? Hey stupid, I don't want you, but you're way too dumb to see. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe.
dogs are barking. They bark the minute we get back. And they wake the baby. We made it back to camp safe. We do not have Papa Mike. We don't have Pop Pop. We don't have Canadian Mike, Maple Mike, or Military Mike. And we couldn't find them on the ride command, so we're not sure where they are. So we're gonna get situated at camp, guys. Get the drone this time. Okay, guys. We're gonna head out from swing set. I think we're gonna go rip the big bowls and head back to camp for a little bit. Get resituated. So let's go do some more riding.
I just wanted to take this last little bit of the video and tell you guys, just pay attention, watch your surroundings and everything. We appreciate you guys so much. Thanks to our amazing sponsors. We did get added to PRP to be a brand ambassador for them, which we totally appreciate. And we love representing PRP. They're a great company. Justin that works for them is an awesome guy. And yeah, so have an awesome day. We're out here in Arizona and catching up on some work, but we're going back to Glamis, and the old school roundup is there. I have wanted to go to that ever since I've been following the Glamis Dunes page and stuff, and I'm excited to see these, and I might try to make a little documentary, which is what I've been wanting to do forever. I've always had this vision to make documentaries about things, so I think this would be a perfect opportunity to get some stories from some of the old cats that have been around for a lot longer than I have, duning and stuff. So anyways, and it's family trip, so that's going to be awesome. With Damien with Side by Side Addicts is throwing a thing called Family Trip. It's like guys trip, except it's the whole family. So it just so happens I have a whole family. And yeah, but thanks again, guys. We appreciate all the love and support you guys have given us, and gone up and down you know, the roller coaster with us and of life, and we appreciate it. And we've got another video coming up on Sunday, or excuse me, another video coming up on Wednesday. But I'm gonna stop talking. You guys have a great day, and be kind, smile, and we'll see you later. Bye.